Grammar tells you how it's built. Terms
English personal pronouns through meta-language. I am. I am a teacher. You are. You are a student. He is. He is a human. She is. She is a human. It is. It is an animal.
We
are.
are
humans.
humans.
You are. You are humans. They are. They are animals. They are. They are humans.